Baka magpatak ang ating telepono. I'm crossing the bridge. Yan. Sa right side. Ito! Bakit ka lumampas? This was close to the seasonal flooding. Ah, nagpa-flood. Nanggubat na po kami. Baka may ahas.
Daming ano?
Yan, daming tilas, Carlo. Baka tayo ay anuhin.
I'm scared.
Avoid the the leaves. Diyos ko, ang arte naman ito. Okay, dali. No splinter yan.
The leaves are poisonous. Oh, that's not a leaf.
Hi. Nanggugubat kami. Carlo, pwede ka nang tumai dito. It's okay, that's okay. Pwede ka nang tumai dito. Wala lang makakakita sa iyo.
Mommy, it smells like cotton. It smells like cotton.
Spider here.
There's a spider.
Kung mga nakikita ito, Sige. Wala namang spider. Iba.
We'll see a frog at first, maybe. We'll see a frog at first.
Tayo lang ata naglalakad dito, Carlo. Ikaw ang halingan, no?
First, we'll see a frog. Mom, guys.
See. Look.
Where?
Tingnan mo, oh.
Different kinds of ano.
Color blue.
What is that?
Dragonfly ata yan.
Oh my gosh, we have to look for a frog. Because it said on the map naman. Daddy, you're not a frog, you're Rapunzel. You're Rapunzel who kisses.
Nasaan na spider?
Wala. Tulog pa.
Namimitek.
I just
Mailaban sa Pinas.
Mommy, I want to find a frog.
Frog.
Because it said on the map.
Doon sa Philippines, maraming frog.
Ayan,
Parang dyan tayo nag-cross eh. Di ba?
This is such a long pathway.
Walang pitik dito, wala. Meron, malalaki. Hindi, nagpitik na ngayon eh. Oh, yan, may spider na.
No.
Nandito kami sa
I don't want to get rid
Kabukbukatan.
of it.
I will get the spider, yeah?
Nandito kami sa
No,
Kagubatan.
I don't want to get an infection.
Naghahanap kami ng
I
ano,
don't want to turn into Spider-Man.
pitek.
Ilalaban sa Pinas. Yan.
What?
Kaya tayo lang naglalakad dito sa gubat.
Tayo lang bukod tangin naglalakad eh. Tayo lamang ang bukod tangi.
Tayo.
Kasi nagfa-flood daw dito.
Please.
Pasan ka tayo?
I hate long grass.
Di like.
For the love of God, please, no
Yan,
spiders.
bridge na uli ito.
Mommy, what are we doing? What are we doing?
I don't know.
Ito, crocodile dito.
There's no crocodile.
We are finding the
Hunting crocodile.
kaya ito na ang river Kaya nagfa-flood.
It used to be a pathway.
Kasi mababaw.
I think it used to be a pathway, but suddenly flooded.
Dito na tayo, wag na tayong lumayo.
Hindi, paparoon tayo.
Ha? Ay, straight naman ata to eh.
Mommy, I don't want to find the crocodile.
Nang Carlo.
Daddy's the crocodile.
Kakatakot.
Where's the frog? Where's that freaking frog?
Kaya nagfa-flood dito.
That's...
Kasi
Where is the frog?
Carlo, kaya nagpa-flood dito. Gawa na itong mga tubig na ito.
Where's the frog? Is there a frog? Where's the frog?
Carlo, tayo lang bukod tanging naglalakad ha.
Where's the frog? Oh,
Ito mo, babaw.
I wanna find the frog.
Oh. Pare naman isa, frog. Yung isa ang hanap,
Because
bridge.
It's the first thing we have to find in our map.
Oh my God, there's a snake.
Where?
Nakita mo na?
Don't you dare let me touch those.
Yan o. River. Carlo!
Mommy, we're in a rainforest.
Balik na tayo!
Mommy, wait, I see lily pads.
Walang tao!
Mommy, I see lily pads.
Patway na to yun. Dali. Grabe naman tong taong to.
Saw frog.
Kung saan saan kami dinala.
I never knew frogs were sound this scary. So tight. How clear I don't want to touch those.
May may boat.
Mommy, there's a lily pad. Are these lily pads or just lettuce?
I don't know what is that. I'm scared.
Not music.
Ito mo, may boat.
I see it.
May boat siya.
We haven't even found any creatures.
Oh my God. Yun na oh. May mga boat. Ay, may nangangawil. May nag-fishing. Yeah. May may nangingisda.
Hi, this is like a rainforest.
It is.
It's a rainforest?
Hmm.
Wow. Butterfly!
Hoy, may nangingisda.
Mommy, splinters!
Hmm?
Splinters. Oh, broke out again.
Hmm.
Are you living?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pag malakas ang ulan, baha dito. Pag malakas ang ulan, baha dito.
I think we're
Ay,
getting
puro puro
We're
river.
getting close to the end. We're getting close to the end because I can hear something.
Parang may naglalarong bata. They're playing on the river. On the water.
Are they swimming?
Just,
Malinis ang tubig.
yun, yun,
I'm not allowed to do that.
yun. Look at them.
I see.
Hindi yan naglaruan.
So the river's not dirty?
No.
The river's not dirty.
Oo, mababaw. It's not deep. Ito na yung Carlo. Carlo, ito na yung. Huwag ka nang lumayo.
Yung
Anong
mga
mer?
bangka daw. Marami. Doon muna tayo.
My God. May nangangawil. May nagfi-fishing.
They're fishing? Are they fishing?
Yeah.
Bruh.
Oh, dito Carlo ka na lang mga whale. Huwag ka nang lumayo. Meron. Maliliit.
Fountain?
Yung bangka. Ano.
Ayun na, taas, baba. Okay.
I don't know what's so... Well, I don't know what's so interesting about it.
Salamat sa paros. Ayan, kung saan saan na kami nakaabot. Ito daw yung bangka na babataas. May sakay sila? Sorry. Yan. Bumubo kasi yan pagka pagka bababa. So bubukas yan. Pagdadaan na. May sakay doon. May sakay doon. Uy. May sakay doon.
Maraw. Ari, nababa.
Oo nga, nababa nga yan. Kainit.
Galing na. Baha dito, sigurado. Pag malakas ulan.
Mommy, are we going on a boat?
No, come. Here, come here.
What? Stay together, please, everyone. Wait, please.
Ha? Yeah, river to, river. Kuke. Yes po. May nangangawil. Ang ginagawa nung isa ngayon? Regina, come here. May papasok na bangka. Panoorin natin. Panoorin nyo, may papasok na bangka. Yan. Georgina, stop. Come here. Yan. Hold my hand.
What are you doing?
Yan o. Hangang-hanga na kami dyan. Hangang-hanga na kami dyan. Mataas ang tubig.
Sa amin meron ganyan. May ganito. Mahal para.
Dyan, oo, dyan sila na nakatira. Yan, binubuksan na yun pagka bababa. Pagdadaan. Yan. Para tumas ang tubig, nakasara. Yan may padating ng mga bangka. Ganyan lang itsura niyan, pero mahal. Iron Bridge. Ay, Canal and River Trust. Ha? Georgina, wait. Mahal mag-picture. Hindi. Oo. Dalawa.
Ew, Mom!
Tingnan mo. Mahal, mag-picture ka. Kumuha ka at mag-selfie tayo.
I wanna see.
Hindi, sa cellphone
I
mo.
wanna see the rainfall.
Kaya naka-live ako. Ayan. May pumapasok na
I
bangka.
wanna see the rainfall.
The rainfall?
Yeah.
Oh, sa rainfall. Wala mong rainfall.
Oh, picture.
The fall yun.
I
Yung
just wanna
falls.
watch. I wanna watch it.
Oy, hindi. Mag-picture muna
I
tayo.
wanna watch it naman. Mommy, I wanna watch.
Picture. Dali, pinainitan.
Pasaan?
Yan.
Ayan.
Itong bata. Ito. Ay, aka na nga.
I can't see.
Oh.
Ow, 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 ow.
Yan o, nagsasara na. Georgina, watch. It's closing. Ito. It's closing. Yan, magsasara ang tubig. Magsasara.
Baka.
Amoy gasolina.
Kasawa ko.
Look, Georgina. He's gonna open.
It's gonna go there.
Then, look. He's opening it.
I wanna see.
Yeah. He's opening it.
Wala pa ba?
Look, the water is going
Tingnan mo,
down.
wala pa ba?
Oo nga. The water is going down. And look at the boat.
Oh, the water's going down.
Oo, doon. The more water. Look, bumababa ang bangka. Georgina,
Gina.
Would you really wait for it to get too hot? Would you really wait for it to get quite high? And then you
Mommy,
lakas ng tubig. Anytime. Daw mo, look at the boat, oh. Almost at the bottom.
yeah, what if like stop? Yeah.
Mommy, look over there.
Yeah. Hmm? Ah.
Yeah, before I start, I'm going to go climb onto that. Then onto that, and then
Georgina.
Let's
Hanga-hanga yung isang yan. Ito nyo, ang daming nanonood. Oh. Daming nanonood.
Mommy, there's a bridge.
Mm. I know. They're watching over there. Look. It's gonna open.
Gonna open what?
That.
Ano pala na?
Kala mo lang magaan. Tanungin mo. Carlo, alis dyan. Galing ah.
Ang galing, ano?
Damo, ano yung palaka?
Palaka.
Oh, tapos lalabas na ang bangka. Lalabas na ang bangka.
Yeah, that boat is very long.
Parang ano lang yan.
Malaking trabaho bago maano.
Parang aso lang ah.
Parang aso ka dyan.
Hila. Oh. Hila. Hinihilaw. Magaan.
Hindi yan magaan. Siyempre, aagos yan dahil ano bukas.
Lakas nito sa baba.
Saan pupunta kaya yung mga yan?
Iyan, para dahan.
Saan? Sa gilid lang.
Hindi, para dahan yun.
Punta na.
Pinarerentahan yun. Wala, hindi ka alam mo.
Try muna natin.